everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I'm going to be sharing my absolute favorites from the H&M. H&M is on their Black Friday sale and I have a few recommendations from my end which are my absolute favorite, and I love these pieces over and over again because of the material, because of course how comfortable it is and good, and of course for the longevity. So without wasting much time, I think we should get started with today's video. Let's talk about the bottom wear first, and in that category I have like from jeans to the joggers and the flared leggings, which I really love because they fit your body so well. I have these flared leggings, then also the white joggers which is priced really well. This under 1000, which is a great deal, because trust me when I say this, we also get nowadays a lot of trousers and everything under budget or like the cheapest price available, but when it comes to like the quality, I think H&M makes the best out of it and you feel the best in it. So that is why I would always prefer like H&M trousers and basic wear rather than any other brand, because for me quality matters over like quantity. So yeah, that's my personal choice. Then we have like the slim mom high ankle jeans, and it is currently for 1429 rupees, which is such a good deal. Also have this wide high jeans, the wide one, which was originally for like 2000 and above, and now it is under 1900. So yeah, I think this is such a steal deal in terms of jeans. Then there's a couple of more also, like if you are looking to buy like good jeans, good fitted jeans and comfy, then I think you should make the best out of it right now from H&M. And remember, the sizing there a little bit different, so you please have to check their size guide and then measure yourself and then only go and select the sizes, because they are quite different than whatever we do on the other apps. So next up, I think I'm going to be talking about the basic t-shirts or like the basic shirts that we have from H&M. I love them again, and I think I own most of my basics from H&M always because they are my go-to brand. This one with the square neckline is really good. It has a lot of colors also, and it like really elevates your neckline too. Then again with the ripped polo shirt, that is also good. They have variety of options from like pastels to like blues and dark blues. I love this one specifically because I own such top in the same pattern like the white one, just the neckline is different, but I am not kidding, that is my best and my favorite of all times. I am like mostly wearing that only, and it looks so good. It fits me so well, and yeah, I just love that t-shirt. Now currently the winter stock is available on H&M, and I think they have like good deals going on jumpers and like the knitted fabric or the knitted crop top. So this one in the pink which I saw is really good, and then you have like variety of options here also. What I love most about these basic t-shirts from them is that because of the fit, they fit your body so well that you don't have to really do much to your outfit. You just have to put on some earrings, some good accessories, and then I think you are good to go. So t-shirts like this can be a good essential in your wardrobe, so make the most out of it. This one is just for 300 bucks, and I think it is damn good. You have pretty much options there from reds to like blues and browns and pastels also, so I think it's a steal deal. So H&M also has these long sleeves t-shirts which fits really well again, and I can see one top. It's in the black color, which is like buttoned here all the way till here, and you have those sleeves going on, which is I think is a perfect winter essential now. Okay, with that I think let's talk about some dresses. And by dresses I don't mean those fancy ones, I mean the basic dresses like the ribbed one, the maxi dresses which they offer, and I have a bunch of them which I style now and then with a little bit of difference in accessories and the bag and the footwear, and they still look the best. So yeah, I have a few recommendations from the dress section also. Okay, so this one here is the jersey bodycon dress in the pastel pink color. I think this is so good for if you want to create a casual look You just can put on some sneakers and like a crossbody bag and a cap, and it will look really bomb. Again, I can see this ripped bodycon dress, which is like the Skims one, the lengthy one, which reaches till your feet, and it will, I know for a reason, that is going to fit so well on your body that you're going to love this one. But I think this is such a pretty color, like the dusty rose color. If you are looking to like buy some basic dresses, body hug dresses or the bodycon dresses, but still comfortable, I'm telling you, then you need to check these out. Check these dresses out for sure now, before they get out of stock. So yeah, these were some of the dresses that I would highly recommend from my end. So I have one recommendation from the lingerie side, and that is their seamless panties. So these are the hipsters briefs, and they are like with seamless border, so it is really essential underneath a bodycon dress, or if you are wearing anything tight fitted, it will definitely save you from all those visible panty lines. So I think they are currently running a good offer, like a huge discount on it, and with the pack of 5, I guess, yeah, with the pack of 5 it's for around 1000 rupees, and I feel this is such a steal deal. If you are someone who's into like bodycon dresses, or who lives in like a tight fit, who loves to wear like tight fitted clothes, the trousers also, then I think you all should get these, because it is going to be so life changing. I have one more recommendation from the gym wear. I wear like their gym wear most of the time in terms of the trousers and the shorts. It is their cycling shorts, this that I wear most of the time, and it is so good in terms of the stretchability and how comfortable it is in gym. And I think currently they are around 600, which I feel is again a steal deal. If you are looking for a good gym wear, get this. These were few of the things that I really wanted to share it with you guys. Apart from that, if you still want to check out their accessories, you all can still look for the crossbody bags, but I think they are still a little pricey. You all can still get a little bit discount on the other sites also, but I really wanted to speak about the basics, because their basics is what I love the most, and the love for their basics made me do this video even at the last moment. I know it's a bit late because the sale is ending tomorrow, but I was like, I had to do this video because of my love for their basics in terms of the quality I'm speaking. I think with that we have come towards the end of this video. I know this was super last minute, but y'all can still shop and still make the most out of it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope these were helpful. Subscribe to my channel if y'all haven't already, and just follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you soon in the next one very soon. Until then,